YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. About to go play some ball. You know what I'm saying? Nah, 400 likes if you don't mind, appreciate it. Thank you. I'm hyped. I'm hyped. I saw on sneaker news that these are coming back out. Ooh, you got them. Hell yeah, super hype. Yeah, the Jordan 6s. But we're gonna kick it for a bit. We're gonna talk about some other joints. Up here at Van Cortlandt Park. I ain't never been up here before, so we just came about the pizza spot. We just gonna kick it for the day. I ain't gonna do nothing crazy, but I am super duper hype. And my rib hype, she got her satins on. I'm trying to fuck them up. I did plan on doing more of an outside vlog, but family time got in the way. Nah, I'm just playing. Yeah, we was kicking at the park or whatever. But we did get a chance to eat at Joe's Pizza on Broadway. For me, that would possibly be an In-N-Out spot. The pizza was decent though. Customer service, A1. A1. So if ever I'm up there again and I'm not able to go into last stop, that's where I really wanted to go. But I had the kids with me. I looked up and it was kind of deep up in that joint. So I was like, you know what? We'll go get some pizza. But anyway, yeah. Shout out to Joe's on Broadway. They're definitely decent. And like I said, in my opinion, a good couple slices. But I did eat my joint. Definitely had 3. I had my 3 slices. So you know what I'm saying? That Joe's straight. But anyway, man, and for all that, y'all already see the Air Jordan 6 Olympics are set to drop. No, not these. I know y'all see. You know what I'm saying? These probably got worn like, I don't know, not even 10 times, but you know, we already got that yellowing and the paint chipping. So next time these come out, remember, rock y'all kicks. But yes, we're finally getting these. Matter of fact, I heard the news last week. I was very happy. I saw the sneakers out. They was talking about how they was bringing these back. The first thing I thought about was 2012 when these dropped. Not the first time, so don't catch me in that. That was 2000. But when these dropped in 2012, I was ready. Matter of fact, I was on 3rd and I forget where. I believe I was camping out in front. Was there a Champs out there? I don't know. It's been a minute, but I know I wasn't on the Foot Locker like around the hub. I don't believe I was there. I camped out, didn't hit on them. Said whatever. I think it was like around the 4th of July anyway, but I ain't care. It was all good. I still made sure I got these, and even though I haven't rocked them that many times, I'm gonna rock them a couple more times. I should go get these joints painted, but the only thing is, and I know a lot of people have been hitting me up like, yo, you should go here, you should go there. I just don't want when the people throw these joints in the ice box and be like, oh, yeah, and then it started separating. Like, I just can't go through that again. So I'm just gonna, rock with what I got, and hopefully this fall, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting another pair. Yeah, definitely getting another pair this fall. That's when they're hinting to be coming out around the time of the Olympics. So that's gonna be dope. But yeah, I'm definitely copping these. This gives like Carmine vibes in a midnight blue. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, definitely want another pair of these. Matter of fact, clean these joints up because I'm gonna at least rock these 2 more times before that other pair. And then 2DR they go, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. So yeah, be on the lookout. The Air Jordan 6 Olympics finally coming back. Now what would be cool is, but I don't think we're gonna get that, the Nike Air at the back. Everybody knows the Air Jordan 6 is my favorite silhouette right here. It was the first Jordan that I ever got. Those were the infrareds. I want the varsity reds to come back out, man. I definitely need those, but yeah, I'm pretty hyped about these joints coming back out, though, for real. Let me know. Y'all copping if they come back out? Holla at me. I remember when these dropped, they had like a whole Olympic like rollout. Speaking of rollout, the next joints that's supposed to be dropping around the same time are the up-tempos. Hell yeah. And they're supposed to be taking on the 1996 original form with the Ocho in the, you know what I'm saying? You ain't even got to pause because I ain't even finish the sentence, but got that number 8, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, down by Pippen. So those, the crime don't stop. Sneaks also supposed to be dressed up in nubuck. This photo right here, this is actually the, what is this? The 2020 pair. So this is not this is not the 2024. So that's another pair coming out. I'm thinking about getting those joints too. Them joints is pretty tough. Only up tempo I got is the black and white. I really wanted those, so that was like a no-brainer on them. But yeah, I might go for the gusto on that. But anyway, keeping it going. Not that I've seen this, but since Nike's starting to come out with a rollout of Olympic colorways, I'm thinking like, yo, the 180s coming back out. Not that I don't think I would cop, but those was a clean joint. Cause I still remember being on Fordham around 2012, and a cat came on, stomping through with them joints. And cats was like, they were like, yeah, ooh. They were like, all right, yeah, I know that the J's, the Pippins, but they were like, yo, they're clean. That was a clean joint. And shout out to my guy Bear sending me that IG link on the 180s. I remember when them joints first came out. A pair of sneaks, like, my parents wasn't in for me. Them joints was tough. I always got a story when it comes to sneakers, and I always remember I had a camp counselor. I thought he was cool as shit. He had like a pager and everything. I was like, duh, you know what I'm saying? But I remember he had the 180s. But one time I peeped him like in the janitorial closet, spraying his joints down with Lysol. I was like, I've heard of Windex glass cleaner, and I was still kind of like iffy on that. But that Lysol, I was like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? But who am I with my feelers? You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yo, so those are two joints supposed to be dropping. Like I said, I did want to do more like out and about, and even though it's starting to get cold, I'm on that 60 day that I'm trying to hold down. I am gonna start hitting up food spots. I'm gonna take y'all to different food spots in the city, in the Bronx too. And we're gonna be talking about kicks that way, unless I got a pickup. But I do got something rolling in this week. I just don't know how I'm gonna do this. I might do another video like this. This not like really my this is not really my favorite thing to do. I really like to be out and about, and if I'm gonna have a discussion, because it just serves better aesthetics. And if y'all didn't know, I did get the GoPro 12. So what I started filming, that was on the GoPro 12. So let me know if y'all peep the quality. But anyway, yo, I'm about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking with me, liking, commenting, all that. Don't forget to check out that Air Jordan 12 Cherry video that I dropped the other day. Top 5 best on foot, you already know, and I'm being generous by saying top 5. But anyway, yo, shout out to the Wave Mob and shout out to Kingpins. Orchard Beach, save 20% when you cop more than 3. Don't see you copping less than out. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be.
Lo que yo vine fue a esto.
But that snaps. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.